Ebunge Partition Company is a professional manufacturer of soundproof movable partition walls for more than 13 years in China, with big capabilities. Real manufacturer, no middleman, no MOQ. Support door-to-door delivery service to more than 60 countries till now. With functions of top hanging systems, no floor track, good soundproof effect, flexible space dividing, movable partition becomes very popular for interior space management, to separate big open space into different small rooms. It's widely used in multi-function room, office, school, exhibition hall, KTV, museum, theater, sports center, dance studio, and so on.